If you're looking for a truly authentic Thai experience, be sure to head to the Pai Night Market. This vibrant market comes alive every evening, offering a tantalizing array of street food, handmade crafts, and local souvenirs. And don't forget to sample the local delicacies. You won't be disappointed. If you're in need of a caffeine fix before or after your market adventure, there's a great coffee shop just around the corner called Café de Pai. They roast their own beans and have a delicious selection of artisanal coffee drinks. So, I hope you enjoyed hearing about the Pai Night Market. It's been a pleasure chatting with you, and I hope you have a wonderful time in Pai. Swadika!